Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unstar a design in Canva. If you've recently started a design and you are looking for a way to unstar it, then follow the steps. Launch open Canva application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will need to go ahead and get to the Recent Design tab and scroll through the tabs and look for the design that you have starred before. The design that you've starred will be represented with a yellow star right above it. To unstar the design, simply tap on the star icon once again. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to unstar a project. Once you unstar a design, it will no longer appear in the starred section, and that is it. That's how you easily unstar a design in Canva. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.